Hi everyone, 안녕하세요. I'm Haeryung. Welcome back. Today I'm going to share an easy and versatile homemade barbecue sauce recipe. You can use as is or customize it with other ingredients like gochujang, vinegar, or extra red chili pepper powder. But first, let's quickly go over what you will need. Here's everything you need for today's sauce. Soya sauce, sake, mirin, sugar, grated garlic, red chili pepper powder, roasted sesame seed, sesame oil, and pepper. Before we start, make sure you have a saucepan ready for heating the sauce and a bowl for combining all ingredients later. Now let's start making. In the saucepan, combine the ingredients for the sauce base. I'm gonna add the sugar, mirin, sake, and the soya sauce. And then combine them. Heat this on medium until the sugar is fully dissolved. When you see tiny bubbles around, it's about time to remove it from the heat. Once the sugar is dissolved, remove it from the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. Now it's cooled, add the remaining ingredients: grated garlic, chili pepper powder, roasted sesame seed, sesame oil, dash of black pepper. Mix everything well until it's fully combined. Just like that, your homemade barbecue sauce is ready. It's versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Feel free to store it in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 weeks. Thanks for joining me today. This homemade barbecue sauce is so simple yet packed with flavor, and you can adjust it to suit your taste. Whether you are grilling meat, using as a dip, or adding to stir fries, it's sure to enhance any dishes. If my cooking inspired you in any way, I'm so happy to have shared this with you. See you next time. 감사합니다. 사랑해요.